Hey, Tina Forsyth here of OnlineBusinessManager.com. Let me ask you, how are you dressed right now? I'm really curious about this actually, in this virtual world that we work in. Whether you're a virtual assistant or an online business manager or a business owner, I'm really curious to know how it is that you're dressing. I've had something that I've been thinking about lately that's kind of been on my mind, and that's this whole idea of, dressing for success, if you will. I think that's actually the name of a Michael Fox movie in the 80s or something, if I recall. But it's something that I've really had on my mind lately. We talk about in this virtual world this whole idea of, work from home and work in your pajamas and ha ha ha, no one will ever know. And although I've never been one to work in my pajamas, I always do get dressed in the mornings and everything as well. I haven't actually been paying too much attention to how I'm actually dressing, what I'm actually putting on in the mornings, especially with young kids and everything. It's usually, like jeans and a t-shirt kind of thing has been as far as I've been going. But recently, as of a couple of months ago, I've started to do some business travel again. I've been going to some events and going to, some sessions and stuff with my mentor. And it's really coming clear to me. It's like at that point when I decided, okay, I need to go to events. I'm going to see people face to face again. Yikes. And even doing these videos here too, people can see me now. I really start to think again. It's like, okay, I need to spiffy myself up, if you will. How am I actually presenting myself? What am I looking like? What am I wearing? What's my hair look like? All that fun stuff. And it's been kind of neat. It's an obvious thing to say, oh, hey, I'm going out. I'm going to see people face to face. I should maybe spiffy myself up a little bit based on that. But I have to tell you, there's another side to this that I'm actually really enjoying. And it's been years now, quite honestly, that I've actually dressed for myself, if this makes sense, And ladies, I know you can especially relate to this. It's like being able to go out and buy a pair of heels just for the heck of it and having fun. I haven't done that in years because I work from home. And quite honestly, with kids and everything too, it's rare that I do go out. I just haven't had to buy any heels. I haven't had a reason to buy heels for a long time. And of course with going to these events and getting out again now, it's kind of turning into a little bit of fun. Maybe my husband might kind of shake his head a bit because of course this means me doing a bit more shopping and such than I've been doing recently. But, it's like getting out there, buying some heels, having some fun. I just bought a leather jacket on the weekend. This is something I'd wanted for years, quite honestly, and thought, oh, what do I need it for? I don't need it. I work from home, blah, blah, blah. Nobody ever sees me, but it's like, hey, I'm going to buy this not only for the events that I'm going to, for when I am going to see people face to face, but heck, I want it for myself. I want to be able to have some fun too, even if I'm going to the bank or something. Why can't I even dress up for that? And I'm kind of starting to apply a new rule of thumb to myself. It's like, what if one of my clients came and knocked on my door right now? And how I'm dressed right at this very moment, or when I get up in the morning and start working on my computer, how I'm dressed at that moment. What would they think if they saw me? I'm out and about going to the bank, for example, and having to do some stuff at the bank. And, here I am, businesswoman, going to do some business banking, and I'm dressed in my, sweatpants and a t-shirt kind of thing, and barely have any makeup on. It's like, what does that say about me? And of course, the impression we make for other people counts. That's definitely part of this. But I think even more so what I'm finding for myself is it's, how I'm feeling about myself, or how it is that I'm representing myself for me. For me to be able to have some fun here, for me to be able to, get some cool new clothes and get a cool new hairdo, and bought some cool new glasses last week that I was pretty excited about. Stuff like that. It's making me feel really good as well. And I really do believe too that that's going to start to shine through, and that people will pick up on that too in the relationship I have with my clients. If I'm talking to someone on the phone and I'm sitting there in my pajamas, that's one thing. How much does that come through energetically? I mean, I don't really know, but for versus me sitting on the phone, hair done, makeup on, jacket, cool new leather jacket on, and all that fun stuff, and talking to someone on the phone that way, how am I going to sound differently? How am I going to be differently in that situation? Definitely some food for thought. So I'd love to hear what you think about it. Whether you're working in your pajamas or not, what can you maybe do to spiffy yourself up a bit? And hey, even give yourself a bit of a treat too. Go buy a pair of heels just for fun. Wear them around the house just for fun, even if you're not getting out face to face right now. Would love to hear your thoughts.